Losing a drone sucks. Means I have to go hunting through the bush, trying to find this little guy. Who do we have here? Train traps meet golf cart, enhanced with an electronic motor, and you have a fun vehicle to experience the old rail track. Tickets are NT $250 per person, and there are 3 routes to choose from. Remember to book in advance on the Railbike website.
In 1935, a magnitude 7.1 earthquake rocked the western coast of Taiwan and the Longtan Bridge was destroyed. But now one of Taiwan's biggest disasters have turned into one of its most popular tourist attractions. We are visiting the remains of Longtan Bridge.
This is it, the end of our journey at Longtan Bridge. And what a beautiful place this is. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more, press the subscribe button. Subscribe button. And if you know of any cool places that we should visit, please let me know in the comments section below. Thank you very much. Bye.